Hey guys, Bret Johnson, Realty Network Group here in Phoenix. Welcome back to my video blog. Today I'm going to do a little market recap for 2017 and also give you my predictions for what's going to happen in 2018. So we're going to look at supply, demand, and appreciation. Economics 101 dictates that price is simply a function of supply and demand. So when we look at supply, especially if you've been following our blog at all last year, 2017 basically had no supply. In fact, under 500,000 high-end sellers market as far as amount of homes available, and under 200,000 homes basically do not exist. What's interesting to note, we've already seen into the start of 2018 a 12% dip in supply. So buyers need to be prepared. It's going to be very difficult to find the home during 2018, even more so than we saw last year. The next thing I want to touch on is demand. We've actually seen a fairly stable demand all the way through 2017. And we're going to continue to see that probably into 2018. We do have an increase in some financing levels, things like loan limits on FHA and conventional loans that should give buyers a little more power as far as what they can finance and qualify for. So that would give me an indication that we'll probably see a little more increase in demand into 2018. But keep in mind, with very little supply, that's going to push prices up, and it may be difficult again for buyers to find homes. The last thing I want to touch on is appreciation. Obviously every market's different, but when you look at the peak of 2017, we really saw that in July, right around 8.6%. We did decline in appreciation through that third quarter, and we actually bottomed out at 3.6% in November. But what we've already seen is an uptick of 7.5% into this last part of December and early 2018. Very unusual. So what I'm anticipating is we're going to see a continued appreciation into 2018 for pretty much all market levels. Right now, the greatest appreciation is under that 200K level, and it's really due to a lack of construction in that type of price point. The 200 to 500K is seeing a little more construction to accommodate the increase in demand, but still definitely a high seller's market in that point. The 500K to $1 million is actually fairly balanced, so that's a good option for buyers if you can afford it to find a decent amount of supply and have something to choose from as well as negotiate. And then actually over $1 million, we've seen what's interesting, a 10% increase in contracts in fourth quarter, so we'll be interested to see how that pans out. But currently, right now, it's actually a buyer's market in that million plus range, as supply is a little bit higher than the current demand. So with that, guys, as I mentioned, all markets are different. If you have certain questions pertaining to your home or an area that you're looking to maybe purchase in 2018, don't hesitate to reach out. I can run detailed reports and help give you guys some access to information that may be helpful. Again, you can reach me on my cell phone, 602-502-6468, or hit me up on this link below. Thanks, guys. Have a great afternoon.